Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Kids. I'm Vitaly, and I will be one of the instructors showing you or teaching you how to cook. Around the first videos, we will be showing basic things, and when we get further into the channel, like months and months later, we will probably be doing more sophisticated things that involve oven work. Not like your basic PB&J sandwiches, which I bet you guys probably already know how to do by now. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out. So the other instructor is Varun, my best friend. In the next video, he will be making Indian curries, which he is going to be showing you guys how to make that. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to prepare, put together, and fry a breakfast burrito that me and my brother have eaten for such a long time. So let's get on with the video. So what we will be needing is the tortilla, obviously, some julienned cucumbers, julienne pepper, some julienne grilled chicken, and some julienne tomatoes. So we will be needing some cut up hard-boiled eggs, cut up lettuce, bacon bits, and mozzarella cheese. So the first thing is you're going to be taking some of the cucumbers, putting them on somewhat to the left of the middle, and then you're going to take some peppers, put it somewhat on top, take some chicken, put that on top of the peppers, take some tomatoes, put those on top as well, and then take the eggs, just like spread it out. So next what we need is cheese. Just like drizzle it on top. After that you put on the lettuce over everything. And then last but not least, you would take the bacon bits and just pour a little bit over the top. And there you have it. Now you will just need to roll it up and fry it. So the burrito should look like this. And then you will be frying it in some butter. If you're 12 and under, I'd recommend having an adult accompany you so you don't get burned, because we are going to be using a stove. So, yeah. So you put the burrito in like that with the seam down so it all stays together. And you wait till that side gets golden brown, and then you will flip it over. Alright, that side is golden brown, so then you'll flip it over on its side. Did it a bit too much, but that should be fine. Alright, so you will want to be putting it on a plate with the paper towel so the paper towel soaks up all of the butter. And then you'll take a knife. I'd suggest, if you don't know how to cut with the knife yet, ask an adult. Cut it at an angle. And you get your 2 slices and just put it on a plate. And serve it to enjoy for you and or others. Alright, thank you everyone so much for watching Cooking with Kids. I hope you enjoyed the breakfast burrito if you decided to make it. You could have added different things if you wanted. I was just showing you the recipe that my mom usually does it in. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you all for watching.